Sabadi YouTube fans, I'm Nook Hashka. Welcome to Nook's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making Tum Mak Hoong or papaya salad, Lao style. I'm peeling the papaya right now and then I'm going to chop it up and then make the salad. I'm going to also introduce you to the ingredients that I'm going to be using in the papaya salad. This is a traditional way of chopping the papaya. You know, Lao people, when they slice something, when they do something like this, they always take the knife and then they push it away from themselves. But Americans do it this way, and I am not used to that. I think that's enough. I'm not going to make much. Let me show you the ingredients that we are going to be using for our papaya salad. First we have garlic, and here I have a little bit of MSG and sugar. I'm trying to cut down on the MSG consumption, by the way. We have chili peppers, fresh from my garden, and we have eggplants, Lao eggplants, that's been cut up, and if it's not cut up, this is what it looks like. And then just regular cherry tomatoes and lime, and then of course papaya. And then over here I have a mix that I made from these ingredients. This is crab paste. Okay, and I haven't used tamarind yet, and this is shrimp paste, and fermented fish, and just regular fish sauce. I forgot to include this in in the sauce, but I don't have to. I'm going to be using it directly when I make the Tum Mak Hoong. Okay, let's get started. Chilies, hope that it's not too spicy. Garlic, MSG and sugar. That's it for now. I'm going to put all of the tomatoes in here. Very aromatic. I'm adding the mix to my Tum Mak Hoong. Smells delicious. This moves a lot. Adding the lime. Adding tamarind paste or sauce. Normally you would eat this with sticky rice, but I haven't made the rice today, so we are just going to eat it by itself with some vegetables. Well, let's give it a taste. Needs more sugar. And I'm going to add all of this, the mix. Let's have another taste. Perfect. It smells very, very good. Here is how I plated my Tum Mak Hoong. And my cameraman and I will have that for lunch. Yesterday, I made some chicken wings. And so this is our lunch for today. One thing left to do. Cheers! Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.